We start with developments in the Thabo Bester Escape case. Police confirming the death of one of its investigators. The senior officer has been with the SAPS for 31 years and was also the provincial head of organised crime in the Free State. National Commissioner Fanie Masemola has described the officer as hardworking, loyal and a dedicated detective. Griselda Lewis, our senior reporter, is working the story and she will bring us the very latest just now. But right now, here's police spokesperson Atlenda Mate.
The SAPS sadly confirms the death of one of its investigators into the Thabo Bester Escape case. Circumstances surrounding the death of the senior officer, who is also the head of organised crime in the Free State, remains a subject of a police investigation. We can confirm that in-house employee health and wellness experts have been dispatched to provide psychosocial services to the family and colleagues of the deceased member. The National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, General Fanie Masemola, has sent his condolences to the family of the deceased. He has described the detective as a hardworking, loyal and dedicated member with over 31 years of service. Over the years, this member has proven himself to be a highly skilled detective with a wealth of knowledge and experience in crime detection. His departure will indeed leave a void in the SAPS detective environment.
And meanwhile, Judge Philip Lopser stated that Dr. Magudumana was clearly aware of the charges she would be facing during the handover process between the Tanzanian government and South Africa upon her arrival in the country. He also noted that Dr. Magudumana did not resist during the handing over process, as she stated that she wanted to return to South Africa to her children. Lopser contended that Magudumana willingly participated in the handing over process, and if she had any issues regarding that, she would have to take it up with the Tanzanian government. The National Prosecuting Authority has welcomed the Free State High Court's judgment.
It is patently clear on their own version that the respondents willingly participated in the handing over event at the airport, believing that such handing over was done in terms of international law and in terms of the law in Tanzania. Moreover, the respondents were aware that the applicant was handed over for purposes of her prosecution in South Africa. What they did not realize was that such handing over of the applicant was in fact an extradition without any process and not a deportation.